Guys, in this current economy with gas prices being high, rent being high, all your other bills being high, you go to the grocery store, everything is expensive. Many people don't know how they're going to even make it. And let me tell you, you're not going to make it unless you know these 5 things. Before we get into it, I want you to drop a comment below if you have some kind of hack or thing that you're doing right now that's helping you financially. Share it with everybody else. I'm sure everybody would love to know if there's any hacks or things that you know of that would help them. And we're going to get into this. And the first thing you need to do, if you are wanting to know how to kind of figure out this current economy and how you're going to make it, the first thing you need to do is you need to invest. Invest, invest, invest. You may say, well, I don't have a lot of money to invest, but you can start off with a very little amount of money and you can start investing today, whether it be in stocks, you can invest in real estate, or you can start your own business and start investing in that business. But you need something other than just a W-2 job, because as things keep on getting more and more expensive, the income is not matching with the cost of living. So you need something that's going to help you, give you extra income. So make sure you're investing. Like I said, in stocks, real estate, business, something you need to start investing today. Don't wait, start investing today. Because if you wait until the right time or the right investment, guys, you're never going to do it. So you need to start now. The next thing you need to do if you want to make it in this current economy is you need to live below your means. Many people, when they get a raise or they start having some money coming in, it is very, very easy to take that money and start buying things with it, or start putting stuff on credit cards. And it's so easy, guys, but let me tell you, you need to minimize that. You need to live below your means. Do the best you can to be saving money, which is another one we're going to get to in a minute. But you need to live below your means. Don't just say, well, I got a promotion at my job, now I can start spending extra money. Keep your expenses low so that you have that cushion, that margin there, so that you'll be able to live comfortably. And if something does happen, you have that margin there, that you don't have to sacrifice your lifestyle to be able to make it. Okay. The next thing is make sure you have an emergency fund of some sort, some kind of savings built up. I don't like to just have money just sitting around. It's not good to just save money and not invest, because just saving money is not going to be worth as much in the next 10 years as it is now, right? But it's good to have some emergency fund, a little bit saved, so that when things do go wrong, you have something there. You don't have to put it on a credit card. You have an emergency fund. So that would be my next thing. That would be number 3. Number 4 is just have a plan. Have a budget. Have somewhere, tell your money what to do, where to go. So have a budget, have a plan, and make sure you follow that plan every single month, or however often you get paid. Follow that budget so that you know exactly where your money's going. Just putting it in front of you oftentimes is the thing that helps the most, just to be able to not live above your means. You see where that money's going, and you have a certain amount set aside for each thing. Okay? And then the last thing, number 5, is quit trying to look like money. What do I mean by that? Well, many people, they try to look like they have money. They want the newest this, the newest that, the cool gadgets, the newer house, the newer cars. But in doing that, they're getting more and more in debt. They don't really have money. They just maybe look like they have money. But don't try to look like you have money. Actually try to have money. right? Through investments, through living below your means, through saving, all these different things. So these are just a few things I wanted to share with you today. I want you guys to be able to thrive in the current economy. Even if the economy gets worse, I want you to be able to thrive in this economy. And I believe you can. You just have to make the proper adjustments in your life so that you can thrive, okay? You need a little bit of help. You want a one-on-one session with me, make sure you click the link in the description of the video below. Click on that link. It'll take you to a calendar that you can select a time to meet with me. I'd love to meet with you. I'll do a 30-minute session with you. We can kind of assess where you are financially and what your goals are. And then from that point on, we can set up, if you'd like further assistance going forward, we can set that up as well, okay? Make sure that you click the video right here. This is gonna help you tremendously just have the right mindset. A lot of what you need is your mindset, okay? So click on this video and click the description below, and I'll see you on the next video.